If you're still marketing insurance the same way you did 5 years ago, you're already invisible. Gen Z doesn't want your brochures. They don't care about your corporate slogans. They want brands that talk like them, move like them, and actually listen. In this video, I'll show you why old-school marketing is dead and exactly how to reach the digital-first generations redefining how insurance is sold. Hello, and welcome back to Insurance World TV, where we simplify and humanize everything insurance. Today, we're talking about a topic that's shaking up the entire industry: how to effectively market insurance to Millennials and Gen Z. If you're an insurance marketer, agent, or company executive wondering why the younger generation isn't responding to your campaigns the way older audiences did, this video is your wake-up call. Topic 1. Understanding Millennials and Gen Z. Let's start with the basics. Who are we talking about? Millennials, born roughly between 1981 and 1996, are now in their late 20s to mid-40s. They're buying homes, raising families, and running businesses, the prime market for long-term insurance products. Then there's Gen Z. These are people born between 1997 and 2012. They are digital natives who are entering the workforce and shaping new consumer behavior. Now here's what makes these groups different. They've grown up in an on-demand, digital-first world. They value authenticity over perfection. They're financially cautious. Many saw their parents struggle during the 2008 crisis or lived through the pandemic's instability. And most importantly, they want brands that stand for something beyond profit. So, if your insurance brand still communicates in cold, corporate language, you're already losing them. Topic 2. The digital-first mindset of Millennials and Gen Z. Millennials and Gen Z don't want to visit your branch to fill out forms. They want to compare, quote, and buy insurance on their phones in minutes. That means your digital experience must be fast, simple, and transparent. If your website takes too long to load, your chatbot doesn't work, or your app crashes, they'll leave and never come back. Remember, these are the generations that manage banking, shopping, and dating all from their phones. So insurance needs to feel just as easy and natural. Make your online presence frictionless and invest in tools like AI chatbots, instant quoting systems, and personalized digital onboarding. Topic 3. How to communicate to Millennials and Gen Z. Speak their language. Millennials and Gen Z don't respond well to jargon. They won't read 10-page brochures full of legal terms and fine print. Instead, they prefer simple, relatable, and visual communications like a 30-second explainer videos, Instagram Reels breaking down one concept, infographics that tell a story, or real-life testimonials they can relate to. In short, educate them. Don't lecture them. For instance, instead of saying, "Comprehensive motor policy covers accidental loss or damage," say, "We'll fix or replace your car if it's damaged in an accident. No stress, no hidden terms." Simple, human, and clear. Topic 4. What Millennials and Gen Z value. To them, purpose and values matter. This generation doesn't just buy products, they buy into values. They're drawn to brands that care about social impact, the environment, and fairness. So, if your insurance company supports community programs, plants trees, or offers inclusive policies, show it. Highlight your values on your website, in your ads, and across your social media platforms. Be transparent about how you're making a difference. Because to this audience, brand purpose equals brand trust. Personalization and storytelling. Millennials and Gen Z want personalized experiences, not one-size-fits-all offers. They want to feel that you understand their lifestyle, career stage, and priorities. So instead of generic ads, use data-driven personalization. Suggest covers based on their life goals. Send reminders that actually help, not just sell. Use stories, real people, real outcomes, real emotions. A 28-year-old entrepreneur doesn't want the same message as a 45-year-old parent. Your content should reflect that. Topic 5. Where do you find Millennials and Gen Z? Now, let's talk about where to reach them. Millennials and Gen Z spend hours on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, formerly Twitter, and LinkedIn for professionals. So meet them there. Don't just post, engage. Reply to comments, run polls, use influencers, and host live Q&A sessions on insurance topics. The more authentic and interactive you are, the more trust you'll build. To market insurance to Millennials and Gen Z, you don't just need ads, you need connection. Focus on simplicity, digital convenience, transparency, purpose, and personalization. When you speak their language and show that you care, not just sell, you'll win their trust, loyalty, and lifelong business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your marketing team, and don't forget to subscribe to Insurance World TV for more insights into how the insurance world is evolving. Until next time, keep innovating, keep connecting, and keep making insurance human again.